Hello, I am David W. Parker. This is Programming Today I Learned, WebGL series, episode 24. This time we're going to look at having random colors for our drawing points, and we're going to be using uniforms to do this. And so let's get into it. This should mostly look familiar to you, except for this new gl.getUniformLocation, and then it has this ufrag color here. We're passing the program. This is similar to an attribute, but it's a uniform, which is slightly different, and that uniforms are passed to both the vertex and the fragment shader, and we'll look at that in a second in the fragment shader here. We once again have our mouse down, and this time we're going to pass references to the position and the ufrag color to it. Down here, after we grab that pixel or point, we're going to go ahead and add a C attribute for color attribute. That basically is an array of 4 different values, and the last being it's RGB and the alpha. And we're going to go ahead and put this post just onto the points array just as before, and call the draw with the A position and the ufrag color here. So here's the draw, just like the last time. Everything is the same except for the uniform 4F. This is similar to the vertex attrib 3F. The main difference being that it's passing in 4F, so RGBA, for the color, as well as the reference to the ufrag color, so uniform, as opposed to the attribute. And like I said, this is used in both the vertex and fragment shader. And so we can see it's kind of simple in that regard. Let's take a look at the fragment shader. So we basically need to import this precision medium imp float, and then we're going to go ahead and take a vector 4 for the ufrag color. So this is the name, and this name matches the name that you see here. So you can have lots of different uniforms. And then we're going to set the frag color to that frag color that is passed in and set right here. So what this ultimately ends up looking like is every single time we click here, we're going to have a different color drawn for each of the points. So that's it for this episode. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe. Check out my newsletter at ProgrammingTIL.com. Go ahead and thumbs up the video and share it on social media if you would. Have a great day and take it easy.